Technology in motion. Witness the power of modern engineering in action as machines conquer challenges. From cutting-edge precision to raw strength, this is innovation at its peak. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Let's dive right in. Watch as the tree removal machine effortlessly pulls each tree from the ground. One by one, each root is gently loosened and lifted, making the entire process smooth and efficient. No hassle, no mess, just fast, easy tree removal. Whoa, that was intense. Good thing no one got hurt. He rides low gear, steady as it goes with a nice grunt sound. There is something raw and powerful about a diesel engine sound. Wow, that was intense. It really reminds us of nature's raw power and how we are always at its mercy. Track 1000 features a high-performance engine and a specialized tire setup designed for maximum traction on ice and snow. Even in extreme winter conditions, watching the MB Track 1000 in action is truly impressive. Moving and unloading wet firewood is no easy task. It is heavy, unstable, and puts serious strain on machinery. This Scania, though, is built for the challenge. With a solid chassis and powerful hydraulics, it can handle the weight and ensure a controlled dump. This proves why having the right tool is key for the job. This oak tree is massive, standing at 30 feet long, with a trunk over 4 feet thick. Without the right equipment to transport it, you have to improvise. This guy is using a U914 and a C360, which is a clever approach. Honestly though, adding weight to the front of that C360 would be a smart move. It would improve fuel efficiency and pulling power. This video gives a real appreciation for the tough job logging truck drivers face. Navigating treacherous roads with a full timber load makes it no surprise that accidents happen. Mud, snow turn even a simple trip into a serious challenge. When evaluating a truck, it is about the complete package. Payload capacity matters, but so does the drivetrain. How much torque does it have? And let's talk about that suspension. It needs to handle rough terrain. This ZIL truck checks all the boxes. When a driver trusts his machine, that is when you see real performance in action. Man, that was close. This guy has more luck than judgment. Seriously, a small excavator for a tree this size with no hard hat. Go ahead. Hey. All right, go. You are clear, go on. Keep moving. He is lucky to be walking away unharmed. Someone really needs to talk to him about safety. That is how it is done. Imagine this, a perfect blend of power and precision in action. This is not just any circular sawmill. This is your partner in turning raw logs into endless possibilities. Its 7.5 kilowatt motor drives a 450mm blade slicing through wood as smoothly as a hot knife through butter. It is as user-friendly as your favorite smartphone. That 980H is a real beast. These machines can move mountains of timber. They are built to endure, handling almost anything thrown their way. But credit goes to the operator as well. Handling this machine requires real expertise. They make it look effortless, but it is not. So the bank needs about $4,000 monthly in payments, just for fuel costs. Running these is not cheap. Massive pine trees, towering for decades, are vulnerable to fire damage, weakening their root systems and trunks, making them prone to collapse. Strong winds or heavy rain can bring them down, posing serious dangers to people and property. Evaluating and removing fire-damaged trees is a tough but necessary choice. The Dallin 2054 is an absolute powerhouse. Fully hydraulic one-handed operation, make cutting through logs effortless. Its smart design handles twisted wood easily, and the automatic chain lubrication ensures smooth operation in any condition. While that is an intense job, these workers are facing steep inclines and enormous trees. They are equipped with high-end tools, chainsaws, rigging gear, and safety harnesses. Everything needed for the job. They carefully cut sections of the trees, lowering them down the slope with precision. One mistake could have serious consequences. If you need a forestry machine that delivers comfort, performance, and durability, the Cat 5-to-B is a great option. Its elevated cab provides an excellent view of the work area, while air suspension and heated seats offer all-day comfort. Plus, with powerful hydraulics and legendary Cat durability, this machine is built for endurance, a true workhorse, designed for years of reliable performance. The Hitachi Zaxxas 200 excavator demonstrates exceptional efficiency. Through its optimized design and attachments, the Ripper tooth attachment enhances productivity in land clearing and excavation tasks while minimizing fuel consumption. This focus on resource optimization contributes to both economic and environmental sustainability. In a seamless display of precision and power, the industrial wood cutting machine comes to life. A skilled worker carefully selects and places each log into the machine, ensuring only the finest wood is processed. With effortless efficiency, the sharp blades slice through the timber, producing perfectly even and smooth cuts. Every motion is precise, every cut is flawless, a testament to cutting-edge technology and expert craftsmanship. This is high-level wood processing. The Pizzolato PTH1200-1000M is an absolute powerhouse. Runs on a strong 656 horsepower Scania DC16071A diesel engine. It delivers a max chipping diameter of 700 millimeters and a massive 12 by 700 millimeter in feed opening. The 1000 millimeter drum, paired with a 1200 millimeter width and a robust feeding chain, measuring 1200 by 1440 millimeters, delivers an hourly throughput of 150. The Nasola 555C is a high-performance harvester head, built specifically for forestry tasks. It comes with powerful grapples that allow for efficient log handling and sorting. When attached to the Volvo 145 excavator and the Flex 14 undercarriage, it transforms into an incredibly capable system, perfect for operations like thinning, delimbing, and felling smaller tree stands. This combination delivers stability, maneuverability, and outstanding power across rough terrains. This is a sawmill's worst nightmare. Not every log comes in perfect condition, and this one proves exactly that. Who knows what's inside? Old fence pieces, nails, maybe even bullets. Things like that can be disastrous. or at the very least, ruin the saw blade. Seriously now, what's the bigger challenge here? The road or this guy's 66? This thing is a monster. It just powers through these so-called rough terrains. Gaz 66 no doubt remains the king of off-road. This track Artilio ST130 isn't your average sawmill. It's built with a 13mm blade and a 168mm rim. Designed to handle massive logs with ease and precision. Featuring an electric guide saw and a hydraulic lift system, it ensures each cut is smooth and consistent. The E0700 carriage with hydraulic clamps and adjustable battens makes handling logs effortless. This sawmill is all about power and efficiency. Watch the raw power and precision of the EC210 excavator, paired with the TIPO 1000 attachment in action, ripping through stubborn stumps with ease, deep in the fields of Kalanga Gatlin. This is how stump removal should be done fast and effective, turning a backbreaking task into an effortless process. Few things are as satisfying as watching someone solve a problem with pure ingenuity. This homemade log splitter is a perfect example. Smart, efficient, and an absolute game changer. Bet everyone watching this wishes they had one. Can you believe this? A homemade stump grinder, working just as well as the commercial ones. Pretty impressive, right? It's incredible, but before getting too excited, let's not forget safety is the top priority. The goal is to work efficiently and safely, so everyone can use this innovation without risks. Want to see the future of firewood production? Take a look at this cutting-edge Estonian factory. By integrating advanced automation, they've slashed labor costs while dramatically boosting production speed. This is proof that efficiency and cutting-edge technology go hand in hand. Automation at this level not only ramps up productivity, but also ensures consistent quality and minimal waste. Time to talk about optimizing loading efficiency. If you're still using outdated machinery, it might be time to consider newer options. Imagine having an advanced system equipped with real-time weight measurements, automated spill prevention, and a smooth workflow integration. Modern technology delivers all of this, making your work faster, more precise, and far easier. Wait, did you just see that? 19.3 cubic meters of timber up that incline. The Camex F1705 handled it effortlessly like it was nothing. This is absolutely insane. That machine has endless power. This is unreal. The skill this guy has is next level. But seriously, no helmet, no gloves, nothing. This is pure risk. Built with high-strength steel and powered by an advanced hydraulic system, the WE Stump Cruncher delivers unmatched durability and performance. This powerhouse efficiently grinds stumps and bulky logs into easy-to-handle debris for effortless removal or on-site recycling. Its cutting-edge design maximizes efficiency and ensures long-term reliability. Let's talk about this powerhouse setup right here. Combined with the Arbro 400 head and the Palm 670 crane, is an absolute beast in the field. It can venture into the densest forests and still dominate with ease. From felling and delimbing to cutting logs to size, this machine does it all. And with that crane attached, moving heavy logs becomes effortless. If durability, efficiency, and raw power is what you need, this machine is the one to go for. This HSL60 mulcher is setting a new standard in forestry work. Its ProMax chip production rotor ensures fine mulch, keeping drum speed consistent for superior output, delivering optimal performance every time. Compact and lightweight, it provides great visibility and easy maneuvering, perfectly suited for machines. Priced at $36,125, it's an investment built for pros who demand serious performance. Watch closely. This Ponset Ergo is an absolute beast. Look how it takes on these massive Douglas fir and grand fir trees with ease. The active frame C5 crane and H8 head work together like a synchronized machine, ensuring a smooth and efficient operation. Less time wasted means more wood harvested, which ultimately leads to higher profits. Of course, it comes with a hefty price tag, somewhere between $275,000 and $385,000. Ladders and chainsaws are a disaster waiting to happen. Thinking of trimming your trees like this guy? You might want to reconsider. This video makes a strong case for hiring a professional. Here is a tip that could save your life. Always triple your expected safe distance from a falling tree. It might seem like overkill. Nobody ever regrets being too careful. This truck driver has nerves of steel and skills that leave you speechless. Massive logs, hairpin turns, and steep slopes, this is no joke. Honestly, this guy has no idea what he is doing. No skill, no safety equipment, and no common sense. It is a miracle he walked away unharmed. Hauling timber is always a risky task regardless of location. Drop a 1 in the comments if this amazed you. Your support keeps us going. Not sure if I should call this guy a pro or a daredevil. What do you all think? Nature's raw power is truly astonishing. It really puts things into perspective, reminds you how small we are in comparison. Wow, I have never seen anything like this before. It split that massive beech log in seconds. The speed and precision are incredible. Drop a 1 in the comments if this blew your mind. Your support keeps us going. Hang on to your hats, folk. This ain't your grandma's skidder. This thing's a beast, ready to wrestle those trees into submission. This is like a ballet. These guys are experts, handling those cedars with absolute precision. It is amazing how slow and steady they go. But that is the way to do it properly. No shortcuts here, just pure skill and patience. This HMT excavator is putting in serious work. That root stock is stubborn, but the excavator is not backing down. And there it is, the entire tree, roots and all completely pulled out. This log splitter changes the game, turns a tough job into something effortless. If you have ever spent hours swinging an axe or a splitting maul, you know the struggle. Now splitting wood is actually fun. Picture a busy timber yard in Finland, where efficiency is everything. You will find the Sennebiken 830M Trailer E-Series handling the workload. Imagine a powerful machine, effortlessly moving massive logs. This is no ordinary machine. It is a beast pulling a 69-ton trailer, and with its precise 0.5 square meters timber grab, it works like a skilled hand, grabbing and placing each log with precision. This tree posed a real threat, and dangerously leaning over the road. Its collapse would block access or lead to a major accident. Removing it immediately was the only solution. This MJ3025 multi-rip saw is a game changer, cutting multiple boards at once, like slicing through butter. The speed and precision are next level. I found out that it handles boards up to 300 millimeters wide and 50 millimeters thick. It makes you wonder how those blades are designed to remain so sharp and precise, a true feat of engineering. Ever seen an excavator take on a tree? These guys skipped the chainsaw and put the excavator to the test, as if to say, can this machine handle it all? Let us see, and you know what? It is strangely captivating to watch. Gotta say, this is one awesome homemade project. A Littlewood splitter, powered by a washing machine engine. That's so cool, you'll want one for yourself. But hey, maybe skip the gloves, okay? They could get caught in that drill, and that would be bad news. The Europe Chippers EC12 90800 HP is a high-capacity wood chipper designed for demanding forestry operations. Its Caterpillar C18 engine delivers exceptional power, enabling processing rates of up to 250 cubic meters per hour. The innovative Venturi system optimizes chip quality and minimizes dust generation, enhancing both efficiency and environmental performance. Now let me tell you about the Rapido Loco 20. This ain't your grandpappy's wood splitter. This baby's got a 73 horsepowered Deutsch diesel engine that'll make those logs sing. And with a 50-inch carbide tip saw, you'll be cutting through wood like butter. It's got all the bells and whistles too. An 8-way wedge, a 30-foot conveyor, and a hydraulic lift deck. This machine is the real deal, folks. It's fast, efficient, and built to last. Look at this decayed stump. A breeze for this Woodcracker, right? But here is the real debate, which is better, shipping or burning? Let us hear your take while you think about it. Shipping reduces wildfire risks by clearing debris. It also creates reusable materials for other uses. So what do you think is the real benefit? I have seen these Hyper 765 wheel carried debarkers in action, and they are incredible. The 7.5-meter crane provides amazing reach, and the built-in hydraulic system saves a ton of time. I have seen operators set them up in minutes. They only add about 200 kilograms to the tractor, which is a huge advantage. You do not need a massive tractor. Even a 70 horsepower model works well. It makes the whole process way smoother. Take a look at this. Who has ever struggled with a stubborn tree stump? You know how tough it can be. But this Bandit to 650T makes it look easy. This 1-meter conifer stump will be completely gone in minutes. This is next level. Check out the Bugnappy FTP forestry mulcher in action. It's shredding through these stumps like nothing. No more heavy lifting, no more hauling. This machine grinds everything down on the spot, saving time and effort, and the best part, this is a must-have. Got a mountain of timber to handle? This is where the right tool comes in. The Log Ripper X18 is built for the job. With its 1830mm excavator saw, it makes docking and ripping effortless. Whether it's hardwood, softwood, or anything in between, this beast handles it all with precision and strength, turning massive logs into manageable pieces. Let's take a look at the Ponce Ergo, a machine pushing logging to new heights. Powered by a 268 horsepower Mercedes engine and featuring an 8-wheel drive, this beast is ready for any challenge. Its hydraulic crane extends to an impressive 36 feet, allowing for precise handling of massive trees. For those seeking power and top-level performance, the Ergo is the ultimate choice. Cutting down a tree is nowhere near as simple as it looks. It's a skill that takes years to master. Every movement of the chainsaw counts. Mistakes will happen along the way, but that's just part of the learning process. Each one teaches a valuable lesson in the long run. I've seen a team take down a tree like this before. It was nerve-wracking. The climber was way up there, and every movement made the branches creak. You could feel the tension all around. When the top section finally came down, everyone let out a sigh of relief. It made me truly respect the risks these professionals take. Just look at that. Wow, that versus tractor is hauling a mountain of logs. Impressive, but also a bit risky. Polish tractors are built tough, but even they have their limits. Perhaps they should reduce the load slightly. As the saying goes, don't take on more than you can manage. It's always wiser to stay cautious and keep that tractor running efficiently. This Euro modification is an innovation in off-road vehicle engineering. By adding a powered axle to the trailer, it significantly boosts traction and mobility, especially in extreme conditions. Its articulated connection provides superior flexibility, making maneuvering on rough terrain a breeze. Clearly, this setup was designed to conquer even the toughest landscapes, where standard vehicles would struggle and fail. This high-performance shredder is a game-changer for biomass processing, optimizing the efficiency of gasification systems. With its SND18 engine, it provides a dependable and highly efficient power source for hardwood processing, turning raw materials into a uniform fuel supply. This doesn't just cut down fuel costs, enhances the efficiency of energy production. The result, more consistent and cost-effective power generation. Absolutely incredible. This is an intense situation. That AZ driver is really pushing the limits, just hoping the car ahead keeps moving. If those wheels lose grip even for a second, things could turn ugly real fast. There's absolutely no room for mistakes. One wrong move and it's game over. This is unbelievable. Massive logs being processed in seconds, thanks to these powerful machines. Watching a firewood factory at work feels like an industrial performance. This PTH-14/1000 hacker truck is an absolute beast, capable of handling anything thrown its way. Powered by a massive drum and a 730 horsepower engine, this machine devours wood effortlessly, and since it's mounted on a truck, it can be taken anywhere, making it a game changer. This TN130 DPRO from SHK is a powerhouse. They took an already impressive branch shredder and turned it into an absolute beast. This thing runs on a 15 horsepower diesel engine with a massive flywheel, delivering enough torque to rip through anything. And best of all, its fuel efficiency keeps operating costs low. If you need a powerful and reliable shredder, this is the one to go for. There's something special about seeing humans and animals work together. It's a beautiful display of teamwork and trust. These horses seem to enjoy what they're doing, and their handler couldn't be prouder. It's a heartwarming sight. Take a look at the arm on the WA450LL. It looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, effortlessly reaching out and grabbing massive logs. But even with all that power, sometimes nature still puts up a tough fight, reminding us just how strong and unpredictable it can be. This is absolutely wild. These workers are hauling timber down a mountainside, straight out of an action movie. The focus, the skill, and the sheer determination make this truly incredible. Somebody give these drivers an award. Let's be honest, nobody likes dealing with stumps. Clearing them becomes effortless. This heavy-duty harvester Designed for excavators in the 16 to 22 ton range. Efficient, powerful, and highly reliable, the KK900 is the ultimate tool for land clearing and professional forestry applications. Unbelievable. Look at that timber truck struggling in the mud. It's like a real-life off-road challenge. Ever wondered how hard it is to transport logs from the forest to the sawmill? This is exactly it. A brutal test of skill and endurance. Thank you for watching. We truly appreciate you taking the time to watch our video all the way to the end. Your support means a lot to us. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. By subscribing to Heavy Tech Zone, you'll never miss out on our latest episodes and exciting updates. Stay tuned for more amazing content, and thank you for being a part of our journey.